स्वागत है आप सबका चर्चा इन ब्लैक होल में। और इस पॉडकास्ट में मितेश और मैंने मिलकर बात की श्रेया पतार से। अब मेरे को पता है जितनी भी यहाँ जनता आई हुई है उन्हें पहले से पता है कि श्रेया पतार है कौन। बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं पॉडकास्ट होस्ट हूँ और मेरी ड्यूटी बनती है कि मैं उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ। तो श्रेया पतार इज़ अ राइटर, शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर। ठीक है। और उन उसके अलावा उन्होंने लिखी है 5 ई बुक्स फ्रीलांसिंग पे, जिससे पता चलती है दो बातें। पहला, उन्हें ई बुक्स लिखना पसंद है। दूसरा, कि अगर तुम फ्रीलांसिंग से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट लेके चले गए श्रेया के पास, उनके पास जवाब होगा। उनके पास जवाब होगा और वो एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड होगा, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी टाइम से कर रही है। ठीक है। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इस कॉन्वर्जेशन से पहले मेरी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हालत हो रखी थी, बिल्कुल हालत हो रखी थी कि बात कैसे करूँगा मैं श्रेया से। लेकिन बाय द एंड ऑफ द कॉन्वर्जेशन आई वाज लाइक, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन ऑफ द ईयर आई हैड। और मुझे नहीं लगता इससे तगड़ा कॉम्पिटिशन मेरे को मिलने वाला है पूरे साल। ठीक है। अब इतनी तारीफ मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि कॉन्वर्जेशन मेरे को दो वजह से पसंद आया। फर्स्ट, जितने भी हमने क्वेश्चन पूछे, चाहे उसमें से कुछ टफ थे, शी आंसर्ड रियली वेल। वी वर सेटिस्फाइड विद आंसर ईच एंड एवरी टाइम, वी वाज लाइक गुड आंसर। एंड दूसरी बात, उन्होंने मितेश और कर दी हमारी तारीफ। मितेश और मेरी हो गई तारीफ। तो हम दोनों का नार्सिसिज्म मीटर अब और ऊपर जा चुका है, जो पहले से भी वो बहुत ऊपर था। ठीक है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितना हमने इस कॉन्वर्जेशन को एंजॉय किया, तुम भी उतना ही करो। बस। मेरे को फ्रीलांसिंग से रिलेटेड बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस है, बट उससे पहले मेरे को एक सवाल पूछना है कि डू यू रियली
Mhm.
स्लीप 10 आवर्स? क्योंकि मैंने एक स्पेस में सुना था और मेरे को 2-3 लोगों ने और पूछा।
Do I really sleep 10 hours?
हाँ, डू यू रियली स्लीप
Hmm.
10 आवर्स?
I sleep at like 2 a.m. and I'll wake up at like 11. So, yeah, I sleep a lot.
एंड
Just
वेट
not in the
वेट
right cycle. That's the problem. Some other time zone, it's correct. That way.
वट एवर हेल्प्स यू स्लीप एट नाइट, तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है।
हाँ वो तो है.
बट स्टिल, लाइक यू ऑल्सो डू वर्कआउट, यू ऑल्सो हैव अ डॉग, यू डू फ्रीलांसिंग, यू स्टूडेंट। तो हाउ डज योर
No,
डे
I'm
इवन
not a
लुक
student
लाइक?
anymore. I'm done with college. So
ग्रेट।
I'm not studying anymore. Yeah.
सो कॉलेज,
Last May I was done.
सो हाउ डज योर डे लुक लाइक?
Um, So right now it's a bit messy because things are going to change next week. I don't want to talk about it yet, but right now it's more of a makeshift situation that's going on. तो routine ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but yeah, usually workout भी बंद है अभी एक महीने से, but dog है, but mostly my parents take care of him. I'm now more focused on, getting these things done and work in content creation. That's mainly what my day is like. तो वो जब भी होता है, अभी लाइट अच्छी है तो मैंने रील्स बना लिए, तो वो हो गया कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड
Like,
पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑल. रियली इट मैटर्स अ लॉट. मतलब मेरे फॉलोअर्स बढ़ गए यार आफ्टर 1 year. सो लाइटिंग
oh
मैटर्स.
yeah,
इट मैटर्स अ
we had a
लॉट.
we had a
Yeah.
question on that. That you were
Yeah.
like, I think around 44K for a year on Instagram, around
Yeah, I was
43,
like,
44.
yeah, 44K, and it's been maddening, but yeah, okay.
What is the reason? Like, what do you think? Because you were consistent, you were posting, you were going live,
I wasn't posting
you were
as
doing
much, but
everything right.
yeah, I was doing a lot of like trends, but then after a point, it was still not growing. And I'm like, I don't like doing these trends, first of all. That's not my thing, not my cup of
Hmm.
tea kind of thing. So then I was
Hmm.
like, okay, something needs to change. But then I tried different stuff. It's not growing. I'm like, okay, let's just use stories because I love like doing Q&As and
Q&As. Yeah.
yeah, like stuff like this.
Then you did a
So I
lot
just,
of
Hmm.
IG. Then you did a lot of IG lives.
I did that before. That's actually, I think, maybe a part of growing the account. I didn't do a lot last year, but in 2020, all those IG lives that you saw on YouTube, they are from 2020,
Hmm.
mainly from when the lockdown was on. So I had university, but we were all studying from home and working from home and everything. So I was like, okay, I have all this time, so do like one live every single day, 1 hour. So that became a normal thing that time.
तो वेट, यू जस्ट सेड कि लाइक लाइटनिंग आई और आपने रील्स बना ली। इट्स लाइक यू डोंट इवन स्केड्यूल योर कंटेंट एवर?
I don't schedule my content. No, I have right now. I have like I think 43 ideas noted down for reels. That's the only thing I've done because
43.
I was very, yeah, because I just wrote
That's
down
a
the
lot.
last one. Yeah, so I have been so inconsistent with reels. I was very like, okay, this has to change now. So just
Hmm.
sitting down and for some reason, 2 a.m., my brain works like beautifully. So I will come up with like 20, 30 ideas at that time in one go. So I have listed
Hmm.
those. I shoot them like the one time I shot them in the sunlight, they all performed really well. Good
Mm-hmm.
views, good engagement. People liked also
Mm-hmm.
how the setting was and
Aesthetic look
everything.
likes.
So yeah, so I was like, okay, let's replicate this. So now I'm doing that whenever the sunlight comes in. But yeah, so just I have ideas, but I never like schedule. Like I don't know what I'm gonna post tomorrow, so I do it a bit on the fly only,
Don't
and
you
I
Isn't
keep
that
that fine.
weird?
don't you think it's get a little overwhelming?
It doesn't. Look, when I started out with content creation, especially let's say on LinkedIn, that's the first platform I started with. Um, I was just thinking about it a few days back that everyone stresses so much now on personal brand. मतलब दो मतलब दिन में 2 बार तो पोस्ट करना ही है, पर्सनल ब्रांड बनाना है, मतलब ये बना
Hmm.
पर्सनल ब्रांड करना है तो दिन में 10 बार एंगेज करना है. For me, it wasn't like that because I didn't know what personal branding was. So this is 3.5 years ago when honestly freelancing and personal branding were not like mainstream conversations that you would have. Like most people
Mm-hmm.
didn't know anything about. So I was like, I
Hmm.
love writing. This is a great place to have my writing published with my name along with it. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So I just kept publishing because of the joy of it, and it worked out. So when I started content creation, for me, it was okay, today I have this idea, I'm going to post this. Of course, sometimes I wrote a lot of them together, but never like it was never a scheduling planned thing. So it still isn't. Only on Twitter, yeah, I schedule my tweets because writing 5 and posting them every day is a bit weird. So
Mm-hmm.
I schedule them in advance using this app called Fire Reach.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, otherwise I like this on the go kind of thing. It's fun.
हम्म एक्चुअली ट्विटर
Yeah.
के लिए अभी हमने भी लाइक थोड़ा सा स्केड्यूल करना शुरू किया। पहले मैं भी यू डाल रहा था, फिर इट्स लाइक नहीं, स्केड्यूल करना
हाँ
पड़ेगा एक टाइम के बाद, क्योंकि बार बार ट्विटर पे जाना भी, एंड इट्स सो एडिक्टिव एट ऑल।
हाँ
ओके, तो लेट्स गेट बैक टू कंटेंट क्रिएशन इन अ बिट। मेरे को ये पूछना था, आपने अपने लिंक्डइन पे फाइनली लिखा प्रोलिफिक ई बुक राइटर। डू यू
Mhm.
लाइक राइटिंग ई बुक्स?
I love it. Like I'm trying to just do that every single day, just trying to figure out okay, how many ebooks are too many ebooks to write in a year kind of thing. Like I have a lot of ideas. So matlab, I think I have about 12 outlines ready. मैंने काम शुरू नहीं किया है, it's a writing, but I have 12 outlines ready that I'm really excited about. These can
12
be ebooks.
outlines, 12
Yeah.
ebooks.
Yeah, like 12 ebook
Oh,
outlines, like what I want to talk about in that particular ebook. So like, you know, like what do you say, index type thing.
there was this there was
So
this one post, I think,
mhm.
on LinkedIn. There, you asked that, ask me a question on freelancing and everything, and I will see which ebook covers that. And you replied with your ebook.
Yeah,
That was like
yeah,
crazy. Like she's covered so many
this
aspects
is
already.
and
yeah.
this
Like whenever, go ahead.
one of the best self promotion strategy I've ever seen.
I mean,
Thank
think
you.
about it.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, and like it was legit. Like it covered everything. Almost
Hmm.
the 4 5 ebooks, first five, it covered most of
Yeah,
the generic questions. So it like
yeah.
बार answer नहीं करना पड़ता. If you want, just buy it.
Correct.
The work
Yeah,
is there, and it's
yeah.
all managed, well edited, written well. So I mean, it's a win-win situation for both of us. We get all the content at one place. You get
Hmm.
the value because you're getting paid for it. So it's
Hmm.
a nice way to think of content, because every post then making money from sponsors is a bit weird, because you have to get sponsor. Well, that's a big deal, alag se. So ebooks are
Hmm.
like a good way to monetize your content, I feel, now that I think of it.
Yeah, yeah,
So was
Hmm.
that
definitely.
your, what was your, why did you started ebooks? Was it like monetizing your content, or was it like just try karna hai?
My dad told me,
Wait,
यार मतलब इतना कुछ कर लिया, अभी लॉकडाउन खत्म नहीं हुआ है, बचा है एक ही
हाँ,
बुक, बस ये साल एक ही बुक.
हाँ,
लाइक ठीक है, मतलब बहुत मर मर के लिखा वो फर्स्ट, the first one that came out, it was
anthology.
not even, yeah, it was anthology.
हाँ,
And it was a link collection of LinkedIn
your,
posts. It's not even something I'd like
yeah,
actively written. It
hmm,
was more like, okay, go through 1 year of LinkedIn content, place them together, do the designing stuff like that.
hmm,
बहुत ज्यादा
hmm.
मर मर के लिखा, but I got it out, and then after that I was so happy. Everyone's happy. People are paying for it because my first thing was who will pay for it,
Who will
you
pay
know.
for it?
And I realized this is already out there, but people are still paying because it's so well structured. So this is
Curated.
published content, yeah,
Hmm.
but people are still paying for it. And I was like, okay, next ebook. And then the second ebook came out, and I'm like, okay, I have ideas for the next 3 ebooks now. I know what I'm writing. And then the third ebook came out, and the third ebook came out. That is when I created the outline for the next like 12, 15 ebooks. I'm like, okay, now I know where this is
Hmm.
heading. Because it's fun, it's profitable, of course. And the whole idea of, marketing an ebook, like every single ebook of mine, I've marketed differently. And I've loved the process. Everyone's been shocked by how the ebooks have come out, especially in terms of marketing.
Hmm.
First ebook was like a very basic, pre-launch price and post-launch price, 500 rupees and 800 rupees, which
800
is about
rupees.
$10 now.
Hmm.
The second ebook, I had a bit variations, like you have different editions on what
Yeah.
you can pay. Third ebook was the best because I released the first 100 copies for $7 and $15, which was like based on which edition you buy.
Hmm.
So first 100 copies was sold in like 4 hours, and then the next it goes up by $2 every 100 sales. So then I
Okay,
had
Oh.
like
okay, 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 okay.
150 sales in 6 hours, and this is my best selling ebook. So now the price is pretty stable. Now it's not growing anymore, but
Hmm.
that rush of, okay, you need to buy the ebook right now, and there's a huge difference between $7 versus now it's 21. So
Hmm.
yeah, so like I love coming up with those strategies and seeing what works and
मैं
what
नोट्स
not.
ले रहा
So
हूँ, मैं नोट्स ले रहा हूँ अपने के लिए.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब there are lots to learn, like lots to try and to learn,
It's
definitely.
I just now you said it. There is so much going behind the scene that people don't
Mhm.
know. हमें लग रहा
Yeah,
है you just write it and you sell it, but there is so much
There is
brain
so
going
much.
inside in the pricing and everything.
yeah. Like the first ebook, I didn't think too much. Like 500 rupees भी मुझे बहुत ज्यादा लगा था तभी.
Yes,
Ebook,
yes.
even printed books in India are like
No one
299.
pays 500.
Yeah, no one pays 500. I had a few people who asked कि यार, why are you selling it? It should be free, no? I said सब
Hmm.
LinkedIn पे free है. It's okay if
Hmm.
you don't want to buy it. I just said like that.
Hmm.
But then people got used to it. Now initially people were still hesitant for $10 an ebook.
Hmm.
My last ebook is $49, the LinkedIn guide. It's
Hmm.
$49 and $56 for the two editions.
Hmm.
Nobody questions my price anymore. Like I know that if I launch a course for $99 tomorrow, people won't question it. And that's what comes from all this, tiered pricing that I've done. All this time, every ebook of mine, based on the value it offers, of course, the
Hmm.
price has increased. So everyone's gotten comfortable. Okay, whatever we are paying, the value we've gotten.
Hmm.
So again, in that sense, that experimentation has allowed me to see, okay, what is the limit? How much can I charge? What sort of value somebody is getting? Like if you're paying $49 for a LinkedIn ebook and your first deal you're closing for like at least $100, then it's done. It's value for money already.
Yup.
So yeah, lots to learn by doing it yourself rather than watching YouTube videos कि अरे ebook sales कैसे करते हैं, price कैसे करते हैं. नहीं, खुद करके देखो, then you
Hmm.
understand your audience best.
Uh,
Otherwise, yeah, like it's go ahead. Yeah.
I was just saying कि like मैं 2 दिन से आपका content binge watch कर ही रहा था, तो one thing that really stood out, like I don't see that in other content creators, is that you provide the basics and then you say कि like go out, just go out.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
one of the best answer was कि like there was this guy who was asking you कि मेरा एक 14 साल का भाई है और उसने like
हाँ.
10,000 निकालने शुरू कर दिए है, and you were like let
Mm-hmm.
him figure out, don't give him anything more.
Yeah.
And that's I
Yeah.
really like about your content creation. Just wanted to make that comment.
Thank
Hmm.
you. It's so nice that you've watched my content and we have like really specific things to talk about. Just, podcast wise, it's great. So thank you for putting in so much effort and time.
Because
So yeah.
we always wanted, we don't want generic questions. Like we
हाँ.
always have this
Yeah,
one
like
rule.
I can see that. Yeah.
So we always go through almost everything. That's why we have two people here, like one for research and one for questions. So we go through
Okay.
almost, we divide the social media. Like I will do LinkedIn, you will
Mm-hmm.
do Instagram, and you have a lot of content everywhere. So like वो लोग भी कम पढ़ रहे हैं. And I liked how about the pricing. You preach
Mm-hmm.
what you practice. I think there was this one comment on freelancing that you said it was a post, and one guy replied, "Oh, if you're starting, you should not charge a lot." And or
Mm-hmm.
I think it was about deciding the price, and you
Mm-hmm.
said experiment. The only way to know the correct pricing is experiment. Now you said
Yeah.
the same thing about ebook. You are
Yeah.
experimenting and you're experimenting with the prices. So you're preaching what you practice. So I like that also. Like
Yeah.
that's
Thank you.
your consistency. I see there what you're doing, and in the comments also. Like especially in the LinkedIn comments, because people
Mm-hmm.
fight there generally. You said this, you're wrong. And Shreya
Yeah.
replies with the same thing. I'm like, yeah, like I like that. Like she's authentic and she's real. So that is something I
Mm-hmm.
appreciate a lot, because I've seen a lot of content creators. They are not like authentic per se. They have some different
Thank you.
strategies. So good.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ तुषार.
Okay, so
Thank you.
मेरा actually question ये था ये book को लेके, whenever you had an idea, what do you do first? Like you just start out writing it, or you have a proper plan कि like okay मेरे को इस तरह से ये book अपना लिखना है.
Mm. मैंने मेरे सारे बुक्स में बहुत मेहनत से लिखी है, mainly because I have the idea, I know what I want to say, but the action of sitting down and writing it, that is what takes me the longest. Okay,
Oh,
matlab, I don't want to sit down and write it. I want it to be out. Like, I don't want to do the work. Of course, I like the work, but only I know how much stress
makes
I
sense.
put myself into to do it. That's the first thing. Okay. So all of my ebooks have been written. Like the first draft has always been written in 48 hours, the full ebook. So if it's like usually about 12 to 15,000 words, only the LinkedIn one was 19,000 words. All ebooks have come in like 48 hours draft. Like sitting from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. That's how I've written it. And I've always thought, there must be something like, okay, time, I know it's working. So, Jan पूछ के I will sit at 10 p.m. to write it down. और जान पूछ के I'll think, अच्छा, last time जब सोफे पे बैठी थी ना तब अच्छे से आया था. I'll go and sit on the sofa, won't happen. Then I'm like, नहीं उस सोफे पे शायद comfortable नहीं, वो बेड पे बैठी थी तब मैंने बाकी half लिखा था. So I'll go and sit on the bed. I will try that. It doesn't work. So every ebook of mine has had its own process. ठीक है, तुम कहाँ बैठ के लिख रहे हो तुम देखो, कहाँ कैसे लिख रहे हो तुम देखो. पहले आउटलाइन लिख रहे हो कि पहले पहला चैप्टर लिख रहे हो, उल्टा लिख रहे हो. Are you writing the last chapter first and then filling in the blanks, or are you just writing
Oh,
anything and then are you putting it together? The process is different. So I don't have any process, except I put out the sales page and I put out a pre-order and I'm like, okay, shit, now it has to be written also. Then I put myself under that pressure. 2 weeks, get it done, and then I do it. So yeah, it's a weird way of doing
डोंट यू
it.
लाइक अगर ऐसे प्रेशर में काम करते हो तो क्वालिटी मेंटेन कर पाते हो? लाइक व्हाट्स योर हैक फॉर दैट?
हमेशा प्रूफ रीडिंग होता है. एडिटिंग और प्रूफ रीडिंग is always done for my ebooks. I always leave time for that. That is important for me. One thing. Second thing, मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ सब डिस्कस होता है कि ये बुक में क्या आने वाला है, मतलब थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट. सो आई ऑलवेज गेट सम फीडबैक फ्रॉम देम. थर्ड थिंग, आई यूज अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट पीपल डीएम मी, राइट. जो भी क्वेश्चंस कमेंट्स में आते हैं, डीएम्स में आते हैं, मेरे को या तो ध्यान रहता है या फिर मैं कॉन्शियसली आई राइट देम डाउन एंड आई कीप देम. सो दिस इज व्हाट पीपल वांट और एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस ई बुक, राइट. एंड फाइनली द मेन थिंग इज कि अब तक पांच पांच ई बुक्स आ चुके हैं, सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं. तो आई एम लाइक, ठीक है, इट इज वर्किंग. Right now it's working.
डू यू
Will it work later? I don't know. But
कोई
now
एक्सटर्नल
it's working.
फीडबैक भी होता है, लाइक कि पेरेंट्स के अलावा भी किसी का फीडबैक ले रहे हो आप, कोई किसी बिगनर का, या फिर समझने के लिए कि हाँ इज दिस द राइट बुक फॉर द राइट पर्सन?
एक बार लिया था मेरा जब सेकंड ई बुक आया था, मनी कॉल्स, क्योंकि तभी I was trying to write an ebook as per processes. So तभी I was reading, like, I have this mentor called Jose Rosado. He's big on Twitter especially. So he has an ebook on how to write an ebook. So I was like, कि second ebook मैं actually लिख रही हूँ. It is not a curation. So I thought कि I will follow that system and I'll see. So when I was following that system, उसमें मतलब बहुत कुछ लिखा था कि get feedback and all. So I was overboard with it. So anybody who is on my team, all the writers that work with me, I just send them a draft, initial half ka draft, ki see what do you think? And everyone said it's good. Also because that ebook was very intense. It was about sales calls. और उसके पहले एक्चुअली ऑर्डर में नहीं आई बराबर ebook, क्योंकि वो सेल्स कॉल्स वाली पहले आ गई, फिर हाउ टू फ्रीलांस वाली बाद में. तो आई थिंक उसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया. But yeah, क्योंकि वो एडवांस थी, I wanted some feedback. It was important. So that's how I took it. I just sent them a free copy. After that, I don't think I've really taken feedback because I have done a lot of Q&As, a lot of polls. जो लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि research है, but it's actually my ebook
oh,
research. I'm validating everything I'm doing
smart.
on the go. So yeah, like when you see my, especially my Instagram Q&As and polls, always think कि क्या कर रही है लड़की, क्यों पूछ रही है ऐसे टाइम पास.
Research.
कभी टाइम पास नहीं करूंगी. It will always have some reason. So yeah, just dig deep into that, I would say.
That's smart.
अगली
That's
बार मैं ध्यान
smart.
रखूंगा.
हाँ.
So if Shrita is asking questions, Q&A ज़्यादा, समझ लेना ebook आने वाली है.
Yeah. Ebook में कुछ ना कुछ, मतलब something or the other, you will see कि अच्छा, this is how she used it, ऐसा something.
चल
So
content
okay, you mentioned
बोल.
just one. You mentioned a team. So like, do you have a team? Who
Mm.
is this team?
I have, or rather, I had a lot of people, writers, graphic designers, video editors, to manage a lot of client work. But now I have made my services more specific. So I don't like, before I was doing also Instagram marketing, which is heavy on videos and images. But I realized I don't want to do that. I don't want to deal with so much. and it's overwhelming. Instagram managing for anybody is overwhelming.
Mhm.
So then I changed gears, and now mainly it's writers. Not a full-time team. Everyone's a freelancer, contract, like gig-based kind of thing.
Mhm.
But yeah, I would say like 50% of my work goes out to those, like my teammates, and 50% is something I'm personally involved in.
When you say work, do you mean social media also, or like
No,
only
my
ebook?
social media is always me. So I don't get the point of like somebody else creating my content.
Mhm.
But when it's writing, it would mean like long form articles. Let's say I
Mhm.
don't write them myself for my clients.
Mhm.
My team writes it. I review it. Everything's like Shreya quality checked kind of thing.
Mhm. Mhm.
But yeah, my team does that. Or if there's any like web copy, review work, occasionally some posts as well for
Mhm.
clients, not for me.
Mhm.
They're all done by my team.
Do
Great.
you intend to hire someone for a social media because you have like
No,
how do you manage like
see,
you sleep so much, you work so much? There is because social media is
यही लाइफ
intense.
चाहिए मेरे को, यही लाइफ चाहिए.
uh,
So
uh,
I don't see how do you get so much time every day? Like I don't see in the like daily activity. You have so much of work and you have so many things to do. You don't like social media is the biggest, I would say, time consuming thing because it takes a lot of time to engage, to see posts. So how are you doing it? Like
टाइम है टाइम है
कहाँ
वही तो बात है.
कैसे है टाइम? कहाँ है टाइम?
See, I don't work a lot. I have work. It's not that I don't have work. I have
Mhm.
fair amount of work. Now I've even slowed down a bit. Again, as I said, things are going to change in a few weeks, so I'll pick up my pace after that.
Mhm.
But I don't work a lot because I don't like working a lot. So for each
No one
client, I
likes.
will no
No one
really.
do.
I don't like. I will find a way to do like 10
Wait.
hours worth of thing in 2 hours somehow. Anyhow, it might take me 1 month to figure it out, but I will do it. So I don't like doing work actively, although I love having clients and stuff. Sales calls, yes, great. Sales
It's
calls
so
are great.
weird.
But no, but like every client that I'm working with, maximum I'll spend is 90 minutes a week on their work, like
What?
at a personal level. Yeah. So if I have like 5 clients, maximum I'll spend 90 minutes a week for each of them. And I usually segregate it. So like Monday, I'll work for client one mainly,
Mhm.
Tuesday, client two, that way. And there's a system. So it's not one by one pieces. Anything I'm sending to my client is also like together. So they
Mhm.
also know, okay, every Tuesday I can expect content, or every Tuesday and Friday I can sit and review. So this is my process. It just makes things easier for me. And apart from that, social media is also my work. I enjoy it. Of course, I enjoy my work also.
Mhm.
But social media is also work, something that I take time off from it sometimes. Like one day you won't find me anywhere unless something's like something scheduled on Twitter that will go up.
Mhm.
But otherwise, you won't find me active at all. That happens once or twice a month. But otherwise, I realize that ebook sales, everything like sales apart from services happens on social media. All
Mhm.
of my inspiration for what content to create comes from social media.
Mhm.
Um, People who I really care about basically exist on social media because I want to answer questions, I want to help them
Mhm.
out. So yeah, it's just something I do. So 2-3 hours a day is probably what I spend there, and it doesn't matter because I'm scrolling social media a lot anyways. So, yeah, it's not that I
Interesting.
don't have time. I have a lot of time because I'm a bit lazy with
Lazy in
work.
a good
So
manner.
I,
Lazy in a good manner.
yeah, lazy in a good manner usually. Yeah.
I just thought you would be like, workaholic, working 10 hours a day. But
I
as
don't.
we speak more, we are I'm realizing you're like more like normal person. Like us, like we're lazy as fuck. Does not like to
Yeah,
work. Just likes money. Sales only chahiye. I don't care.
Hmm.
I don't want to sit and
yeah,
write. So I remember Tushar was writing his first ebook and I was like calling him almost second day, ki, bro, lick. You're not writing. He's
yeah.
like, baad mein likhunga. So
My
yeah,
dad
those
also
are.
does that. My dad also keeps like my first two ebooks came out when I was in Dublin for
Hmm.
university. So every day my dad's like, book ho gayi? Where's the book? Send me the draft. And even now I'm working on the sixth one. So he's like, where is it? Like I'm like, it'll come in its
अच्छा,
own
ये
time.
जो फीडबैक वाली चीज़ वो मैं भी कर रहा था, लाइक हर एक चैप्टर लिखने के बाद मैं अपने दोस्तों को भेज रहा था कि चेक करो इसमें कुछ है ढंग का या फिर नहीं.
Right.
Hmm.
हम्म.
नहीं अच्छा है. You should initially yes, but I think after a point once you keep leveling up, you only understand कि, okay, is this good or not.
हम्म.
So like your instinct sort of kicks in that okay, this needs to get out from here and save it, but just not for this
Okay,
book.
as you're on social media, what's your favorite platform? I think I
I think we know the
we
answer.
know the answer, but still,
Yeah, I think I recently somebody asked me this in a Q&A, right? On Twitter, I think.
I don't know.
I like all of them. I like LinkedIn
Hey,
for
don't lie. Hey, don't
really.
lie.
Don't lie.
See, LinkedIn I need for my services. Twitter is a fun space because it's more casual, like it's more chilled out, and I can talk
Oh
about
yeah,
what
Hmm.
movie I'm watching and what poha versus upma kind of,
yeah.
polls, and people
Oh
will
my God.
engage also. People will engage
Uh,
also what they like, gulab jamun or
I just
rasgulla.
I remember this one tweet that Shreya basically gave up कि यहाँ पे कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं चलता
कंटेंट
है,
नहीं
shit
चलेगा.
posting चलती है. People want to see my
I know.
dog. People want to see Poha versus some.
I
And
understood
like
that. Like,
she's
but
like, I woke up
that
today.
gulab jamun
आज
rasgulla thing.
हाँ
Basically,
हाँ.
my mom had come from like some puja, and her friend
Hmm,
had sent sweets home because I had not gone.
hmm,
So my sister was like, "What do you want, rasgulla or jamun?" I'm like, "Get anything, I don't know." She
hmm,
got rasgulla,
hmm,
and then I was like, "I'm curious. What do people think?" I'm not really curious. I'm like, "Yeah, के 12 बजे हैं, nobody's
Hmm.
gonna see it." I put it out. 100 comments. I got 100 followers from that tweet. 100 followers from that tweet. I'm
Welcome
like,
to Twitter.
okay.
Welcome to Twitter.
It was so weird. It was so weird.
It is weird.
Hmm.
So
लाइक
okay,
आई
but
लाइक माई
again, one
एग्जाम
social
फेस
media.
इसी वजह से मेरे को अपना एग्जाम फेस बहुत पसंद है. मैं बस ये डाल देता हूँ कि हाँ मेरे को 2 दिन में अब 6 सब्जेक्ट की तैयारी कर रही है. 100 कॉमेंट्स
Everybody
लाइक बढ़ रहे
relates.
हैं.
Really.
एवरीबॉडी एंड इट्स सो गुड.
Yeah. Twitter is
और मैं
weird.
चाहता हूँ ट्विटर पे उस टाइम पे मैं चाहता हूँ कि थोड़ा कम एंगेजमेंट आता है कि मेरे को बाद में रिप्लाईज कम देने पड़े, लेकिन नहीं, एग्जाम के टाइम पे सबसे ज्यादा रिप्लाईज.
सब लोग एक्टिव होते हैं ना जब
हाँ.
एग्जाम होता है तो इसलिए
Weird thing.
ओके, तो हम
So
सोशल मीडिया पे, ये तो बेसिकली क्वेश्चन था कि अगर लिंक्डइन नहीं है, कल नहीं है लिंक्डइन,
हम्म
तो
hmm.
हाँ
विच
मैंने ये
प्लेटफॉर्म
बहुत
विल यू
सोचा
गो
हुआ
टू?
है
Which platform which will you prefer?
See,
Basically,
ट्विटर
first is
LinkedIn is not here.
uh,
You have uh, Medium, Twitter, LinkedIn,
hmm,
Instagram.
ट्विटर
Where will you?
या ट्विटर फॉर श्योर
Poha versus वो करना है वहाँ पे.
ट्विटर बिकॉज I can't get, I know that I won't get much clients from Instagram service के लिए. Just by the nature
People
of
there.
people who exist and create content
Mhm.
on Instagram. And then considering LinkedIn ही नहीं है, मेरा main core service LinkedIn branding है, तो बहुत कुछ बदल जाएगा.
Mhm.
So, yeah.
But still,
Okay, so
मेरे को comment वाला guy नहीं बनना. लेकिन आपके पोस्ट में था कि Twitter is a real hard than LinkedIn.
Yeah, it is.
why?
Why? क्योंकि
Now you
वो,
just said कि Poha versus वो कर रहे हैं, and how is it hard
हाँ,
then?
और
हाँ,
उसके अलावा,
उससे I will get people, but am I getting people who will convert into like a paying audience?
हाँ.
Will I get people who are engaging meaningfully? People who have, uh, I'll be blunt, people who have the IQ to understand my content and then actually, act on
Oh
it.
boy.
So
I'm
that's the
timestamping. I'm
that's the real
timestamping.
thing.
timestamping this. Dude.
No,
5:53
that's a
p.m.
real thing. This whole IQ thing is a real thing.
Wait, are you saying that Twitter page जिसके ज़्यादा followers हैं
No,
उनके
no.
followers के IQ
I'm
कम?
saying, no, I'm not saying that. I'm saying कि when you're creating content, one kind of content is where people will follow you for entertainment and
Yes.
because, you create entertainment or inspiration. ठीक है? Whenever, even on LinkedIn, what works is, recently I put out a post about my, one of the things I'm most proud of doing last year was flying business class for the first time.
Yeah,
A
the
lot of
luxury
hate,
वाला.
yeah, a lot of hate
Hmm.
comments as well. But
Hmm.
most people were like, okay, this is inspiring. And that post has 550,000 views. So that's half a million views.
Half a
Okay.
million.
Yeah. So inspiring content and entertaining content will always get you masses. But the thing is, are the masses interested in what you are talking about otherwise? Because my
Hmm.
core thing is I'm not going to talk about inspiration all the time. I'm not going to talk about poha versus upma all the time. It's going to be something else. So are you going to also be interested in that? That's what I mean by high IQ as such, that where does your interest lie? Entertainment or actually, but of course, entertainment will always do better because entertainment is what appealing to everybody. Whereas if I'm talking to freelancing or freelancers or whatever, then it's a very small audience. So yeah, I realize that, but that's why it's a balance of both. Can't just keep shit posting.
You just inspired me to go back to shit posting on Twitter.
The opposite, but okay, go ahead.
Agreed.
बिकॉज वी लाइक
Yeah.
ट्विटर, वी डोंट लाइक लिंक्डइन। मैं हर बार ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रहा था लिंक्डइन पे, एंड
Nobody
इट्स लाइक
who's all been on Twitter first likes LinkedIn. Nobody does. I don't know why.
क्यों?
I know why. But if you think about it, everyone's complaining कि LinkedIn पे यार मतलब quality of content is low and
Too
everyone's
much
shit posting.
professional.
No, not too much
Huh.
professional. Everyone's shit
Huh.
posting apparently. So what is Twitter about?
Wait,
Twitter is like more about that. Yeah,
people
that's
say
the
LinkedIn is just posting. I don't think
yeah,
so.
because it's all, especially that thing was going around, right? Like everyone on LinkedIn be like, there was a dog and he was hungry. I gave him a biscuit and I went for an interview and
Ha
the
ha ha
dog was
ha.
the interviewer.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That kind of stuff. So
Classic.
I get
क्लासिक।
the shit posting vibe, professional shit posting, let's call it that. But Twitter is also that. Instagram is also that because anywhere where there's a large number of people, there will be
That
shit
shit
posters.
posting.
Even people like us shit post. That's the problem. So yeah, so you can't take that out of any platform.
ऊपर से मेरा
But
लिंक्डइन का जो इमेज बना था वो बना था रेडिट से। वहाँ रेडिट पे एक स्पेशल सबरेडिट है जहाँ पे ऐसे ही पोस्ट चलते हैं, सिर्फ ऐसे वाले पोस्ट लिंक्डइन से उठा के, ये डॉग वाले और ये सब।
Nitpick. They
right,
nitpick
इतना बढ़िया लगता
basically.
है फिर वो देखने में।
हाँ.
लेकिन फिर लिंक्डइन पे जाने का मन नहीं करता कि यहाँ पे ये क्या है।
right.
I just feel that the platform does not matter honestly. Like you will find good people if you like are like conscious enough who are following. If you're following Shreya, I don't think so. उसके content से like shit post दिखेगा तुझे ज़्यादा. At least Indian पे ज़्यादा नहीं दिखेगा.
Yeah,
It's quality
hopefully.
content.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
LinkedIn, yes, definitely.
So because I saw almost all of the featured posts. It was mostly about your ebooks. All of your like high engaging one, even the CEO wala, you met the former CEO of LinkedIn. Okay,
Yeah.
since we are on that, do you feel that meeting the former like I think he was a CEO back then, right? When you met him,
Yeah, now he's the executive chairman.
executive chairman.
Yeah.
Do you feel meeting him helped you gain a lot of traction on social media? And do you think if that meet would not happen, you would not be here, or it would take longer to reach here?
It would
Does
have
that
taken longer. I
okay?
would have been here in some capacity, like
Mm-hmm,
self-employment for sure. I
mm-hmm,
knew, I've always known that I wanted to work for myself.
mm-hmm,
Um, but like how it would have happened, when it would have happened, I don't know.
mm-hmm,
That meeting happened. See, the thing is, if you think about it, there were probably like 300 people at that interview, right? 300 people.
Not everyone is here.
I wrote the post.
Yeah, yeah,
And I
yeah.
wrote the post the way I wrote it because I've been writing since I was 8 years old. Otherwise, that post
Yeah,
would
yeah.
have been something weird, incohesive, like, just random.
Waiting
Oh,
for
I'm so
celebrity.
happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was the one that went and spoke to him while everyone was just taking a picture. I was the one who had a conversation worth posting about, and I posted it on LinkedIn.
Yes.
And I was the one who kept up with posting on LinkedIn. If that one post didn't do anything, it got me my first 4 clients, made me like $200. I realized, okay, people are willing to hire me,
Mm-hmm,
even if I've just started college. At that time, I just like moved to Dublin.
mm-hmm,
People didn't care about degree. People didn't care about stuff. So I knew, okay, this is going to work. And then I kept posting on LinkedIn. So I do believe a lot in, everything happens for a reason. I have like
mm-hmm.
a really strong belief in that. And I also believe that, yeah, you make things happen for yourself, of course. But the way things align, if they had to align, they would have aligned somehow, provided you keep acting towards it. So
Makes sense.
I don't know if I would have picked LinkedIn or if I would have had so much faith in LinkedIn that, yes, this can be my life changing platform or something. I don't know that.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, what I know is that I took action at the right time and I took it consistently for 3.5 years now, which is why I'm doing what I'm doing. So that's how I see it.
That's a good answer. Basically, if people say that you got lucky, it's not just getting lucky. You capitalize on the luck also. Like you put your work.
Yeah, yeah.
There is work.
I always say you create your own luck, right?
Yeah.
You can be lucky in small ways every single day without doing anything. But
Yep.
if you want it to compound, even luck compounds,
Yep.
then you have to work. You have to put in the work.
It's not always about कि opportunity सामने से आ रही है. Sometimes it's about कि you're manufacturing opportunities for yourself.
Yeah, definitely. Yes.
Yeah.
मेरा
That's
नहीं है
it,
ये,
man.
मैंने ट्विटर के सीईओ वाली बुक में से पढ़ा था. मेरा नहीं है भाई.
I think we're
अच्छा
done
लिखा
with
भी है.
done with ebooks and
Done
content
with ebooks
creation.
and content creation, freelancing.
Okay.
Who
अच्छा, one
ये
question on I think content और freelance के बीच में आता ही है. It's a common question because I've seen you mention this a lot of times that how do you write original content always, and how does one go about writing original content? because so much has already been written. And content writers का example लेते हैं in freelancing.
Mhm.
So because a client come to you, he's like ये लिखना है, and the topic is there, it's already famous. So how do you write original content every time?
Nothing can be 100% original. First, you have to keep this in mind.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Absolutely nothing can. Even your own content for your own social media, your own story won't be 100% original because somebody has been through something like that in their own way.
Yes.
Uh, so don't look for 100% originality. That's first thing. Don't even try using, like, I know a lot of people use Grammarly plagiarism checker and they're like, yeah, 12% plagiarism दिखाया उतना तो दिखाएगा ही ना. 12%, you're using words that exist somewhere on the internet as well. So don't try to get 0% plagiarism. That's 0% copy thing. That's another thing. Third thing is you have to just say the same stuff but in your own way, right? कोई भी सेम चीज बता सकता है. अभी मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हो, किसी और को भी सेम क्वेश्चन पूछो तो कोई अलग जवाब देगा. Fundamental might be same. You ask me how to start freelancing, I'll say 1, 2, 3 things. They might also say 1, 2, 3 things. But the way they explain it, the way they say it, the way they lead up to it, everything's different. So when somebody is hiring you, clients are not usually expecting out of the box. Like they are not saying कि तुम एकदम ही नया कुछ manufacture करो. जो news है वो news है. जो चीज है वो चीज है. वो बदलेगी नहीं. If you say 5 tips for growing on Twitter, out of those 15 tips, only those 5 somehow you will have to
Yeah.
rotate, right?
Hmm.
You want to manufacture something, do it, but then it's not working on Twitter, so it doesn't matter. So what matters is how you present it.
Hmm.
So matlab, 5 tips on growing on Twitter, let's say. So are you talking specifically for a particular person? Maybe you can use examples of like Elon Musk, what he does right, what he does wrong, or use some other person that you can relate to, sort of. But yeah, how you present it, that matters. So originality like 100% तो chase करो मत, हो नहीं
Hmm.
सकती है.
Hmm.
SaaS, look at so many SaaS products. Like every day
Yeah.
I'm seeing a new one come up. Everything's about like a tweeting tool. Everything's AI based.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah.
what's the
Yeah.
difference? Even the
Yeah.
names are same. Like I
Tweet
can't even
hunter or
make out
something.
the
Twitter.
difference. Yeah, names are also similar. So how do you like? But still, everyone's doing good. Everyone's making like already 100K a year
In
and all,
revenue.
more than that. Yeah.
Hmm.
So the revenue is good. It's working. They're getting customers. They're getting like repeat customers.
Hmm.
So yeah, just do it your own way and do it. That's what matters, right? तुमने
Good
लिखोगे तो
answer.
कोई और लिख देगा. तुम originality
Good
चेंज
answer.
करते
Good.
रहोगे
Like
तो
really good answer. मितेश और मेरे को लगा था ये थोड़ा challenging question होगा, but you tackled it so well.
नहीं challenging था. But ठीक है. Up for the challenge.
Okay, last question. Okay, sorry. We talked about a lot of productized service. So can you explain what do you mean by productized
Productized
service?
service.
Like, as in,
Like selling your
like
selling your
for
services
product.
as a product, like
Product.
package it basically.
I don't think everyone can do it.
True.
You can create it. Selling it is the most important thing. For anything you are productivizing, any info products, even like anything you're creating as buy it and do it yourself kind of thing.
Mhm.
It has to be sold consistently. You can't think that okay, I've released it. I launch week में बस चलो कर लिया. अभी नया आया है, market कर लिया. But it's not enough because new people are seeing your content every day. New people are discovering you every day. And what matters is that new person aware that
That
this
you have
that you
this.
have this thing.
Mhm.
So it's not creating that's the problem. It's not putting it out there that's the problem. It's putting it out there regularly, consistently.
Regularly.
That's the main thing. So yeah,
I
I
think
think
you do
that's
that pretty well with your LinkedIn post, because there is this post and somewhere in
Mhm.
the like towards the end or towards in the link there's a mention of the ebook. So,
Yeah.
people know कि you have a ebook currently just sale पे है.
Yeah.
So yeah, I could see that.
I
think, yeah,
learned that after my third ebook came out.
third
Because
ebook.
so when my first ebook came out, I had 1 week of pre-launch rates and then the price increase. I thought, okay, now anyone who's bought it has bought it, because after that price increase for 3-4 days more people were buying, then the sales completely stopped.
Mhm.
So I was like, okay, जिसको खरीदना था खरीद लिया, हो गया, अभी next
Mhm.
ebook. And then the second ebook also I did the same thing. I talked about it for like a few days after its
Mhm.
release. Sales रुक गए. I'm like, okay, done. Then I realized that so what? New people are coming in every day. Do they know I have an ebook?
Hmm.
So one day I just talked about my ebook and I had like 5 sales. And I'm like, oh, people are still buying. Why am I not talking about this? So now I talk about it every day. Every day I make sure that
Yeah,
people
yeah.
know I
कि
write
there's ebook.
ebooks.
हम्म
So yeah, again, something you
इसलिए
learn.
लिंक्डइन पे लिख दिया प्रोलिफिक ईबुक राइटर
Yeah, Rikiri. Also, not many people can say that. No, my 5 ebooks came. I have, yeah, 5, I
Five,
think.
फाइव
five.
फाइव फाइव
4, yeah, 4 came out last year. So
तो
how
या
many
प्रोलिफिक
people
ईबुक
create? Yeah, how many people create 4
मैंने
ebooks
एक
in a
लिखने
year?
में
I don't know.
मैंने एक छोटी सी लिखने में 3 महीने लगा दी थी
Time लगता है. That is fine. But just how many people are releasing it? Like करो.
हम्म
ना time लगा, but
Hmm.
करो. That is more important.
हम्म
So this year, can we expect like 20 ebooks by the end of the year?
I want to do more, like not more
Oh
than
my
20. No, 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 no,
God.
no. 1 second. Sorry, wrong. I want to do something beyond ebooks as well. So,
What do you mean?
probably like more webinar based, coaching based, or
Cohort?
cohorts. Yeah, cohorts or more video courses because they're fun. I did one webinar for somebody. I also sold it for free. Like it's on my Gumroad page. It's a video on how to conduct sales calls.
Yeah, sales call.
Yeah,
It's free.
it's free.
Uh-huh.
So it's I really like making that video, and I think over 2,000 people have got the free download.
Mhm.
And people like I got a lot of messages saying, that's really good. That covers everything I needed to know. So I was like, people love watching video content. It's fun for me as well. You have the slides, and it's something different from heavy ebook writing. So yeah, I would like to explore. I'm not gonna say what yet, but yeah.
Makes
You
sense.
can
Well,
expect a lot this year,
ठीक है
is what I'm
okay.
saying. Yeah.
Hint taken.
वी आर फॉलोइंग यू एवरीवेयर नो प्रॉब्लम वरना हम पोस्ट चैट में बात कर सकते हैं इस बारे में बताएंगे नहीं किसी को
Okay.
It's fine.
ओके माय क्वेश्चन वाज ओके तो फ्रीलांसिंग के बारे में जब मैंने देखना शुरू किया तो फर्स्ट ही एक चीज़ लाइक ठीक है बाकी सारा फ्रीलांसिंग वाला कंटेंट मेरे को कुछ हद तक समझ में आ रहा था एक पॉइंट आउट रह गया था यू वर सेइंग कि in communication what you have to do as a freelancer is read between the lines and I didn't get that point like what does it mean by कि
He could not read between the lines.
I could not read between those lines I could not sorry
Okay.
Yeah.
What context did I say it in? Like communication with who?
in freelancing in general you said first ki like communication skills are important then you said ki like 3 things are important your writing communication the way you are talking to the client and third thing is reading between the lines
Right. Yeah, okay. See, I said this in context with everything. Okay, when you are conversing with anybody, I wouldn't like saying hidden intentions is a bit too much, but um, look, especially when you have conversations with prospects, right? The whole red flag thing, you know. So I had this client once who used to always praise me. Like I send him an article. I know it's a good article. Like I'm happy with it, but then he would put it on this pedestal, and he's like, "Such great work, amazing. I've never seen this." Like all of that. And it happened like 1, 2 times, and then he turned out to be the worst client ever, giving me all the nightmares you can imagine. And
We
I
had
have
a
had a
question
lot
on
of
that, by the way.
yeah,
For
okay. So
later.
yeah, this was the client that I had a lot of breakdowns over, and like he completely changed my entire mindset towards how I need to deal with freelancing. Like it was a very significant experience for me. But that client used to always praise me, and then he ended up asking for free work, like one free work. So that's what it means by read between the lines. Like you have to be aware of all these small things that people do. That okay, why is somebody using such heavy words for an article, maybe? Or what are they trying to say? And then they say, just like, can you just edit this one page? It'll take me only 5 minutes. It's not that they are being appreciative ki, oh, you can do it in 5 minutes, you're great. No, it's about them taking it so lightly कि तुम्हारे लिए तो थोड़ा सा ये तुम free में कर लो. So all of those kind of things, I think this is a bit heavy example. It also happens on the lighter notes, but you have to kind of know when people are being condescending, when people are being patronizing. All of these things you have to know, and you only learn by experience. Unfortunately, like definition पढ़ लो, लेकिन जब होता है ना, तब समझ आता है कि okay,
थोड़ा सा जज
this is
करना
what it
थोड़ा सा
means.
जज करना जरूरी है लोगों को
हाँ, so you have to, yes. खुद के प्रोटेक्शन के
Basically.
लिए नहीं, मतलब it's mostly about picking on these signs early on, ताकि you don't put yourself further deeper into that situation at all. So yeah,
Makes sense. Like shady लग रहा है तो like be a little aware. Cross
yeah,
check कर लो. Take payment advance में if you want.
If
Like,
you
it was
want,
like,
nahi, take it in
okay,
advance.
sorry.
That is
Advance
that is
Oh,
my
payment.
rule.
sorry.
That is my
It was
rule.
like,
Yes.
yeah. Tushar, done?
Okay,
Your question?
okay, the next question is, who was your Shreya Patar? Like, we look up to
Oh,
you for freelancing. It was Mitesh question, but like great question.
yeah. Like, people now who are starting freelancing go to you, like, always, no? So
Yeah.
when you were
Shreya
starting,
Patar.
who was your Shreya Patar?
I didn't
Oh,
have anybody.
what?
Telling you, nobody was talking about freelancing at the time. You could expect, I think, on Twitter, but I wasn't on Twitter at the time.
Hmm.
Uh, my main core space was LinkedIn. Nobody talked about freelancing there.
Nope.
Um, I don't even remember any Indian person freelancing.
Oh,
Like nobody, no Indian. Okay, this person is the face of freelancing. Absolutely
I think
nobody.
अभी भी नहीं है ज़्यादा Indian. I mean, apart from you, ज़्यादा मतलब.
Apart from you.
हाँ नहीं मतलब people are coming up now. People are coming up. So yeah,
Yeah.
now I can think of a few names. But yeah, at the time nobody. But
So how
yeah, I
did you
mean
learn
like
then?
a lot of experimentation. Like I'm telling you, all these experiences that I've had, so many weird ones. That's one thing. Um, I'm just talking about freelancing, not like writing or something.
Hmm.
Freelancing. Also, because my parents have a lot of experience in dealing with me and in dealing
Oh,
with
okay.
weird people who don't make payments on times and stuff. They've had their own businesses. They've seen the ugly side of things. They know what
Mhm.
it means, right?
Mhm.
So they have always helped, and they understand what freelancing is, what self-employment is. They're very on board with everything. Uh, very involved, and again a lot of things that are about to happen have happened. Like again we'll talk about this maybe in a few weeks, but yeah, it's also happened because of my parents, because they pushed me towards doing it, and it's a big thing, it's a big change. So yeah, so they're very supportive, and the most important thing is that their mentoring or mentorship, whatever, it has been very important because they understand me as who I am
I
when
think they
I'm
understand you
not
the
a
best
freelancer. Yeah, so
because yeah.
like like one of these situations, right? One of some of the worst clients I've had, they used to like whatever situation happened. I think there was this one time where I was like, okay, what should I do now? I was stuck. How do I deal with this person? And my dad just said, refund the money and get rid of him. Not worth your mental peace. You can't handle it at this stage. No mentor would say that. If you had a coach, no one would say, just get rid of that client. But because they
Hmm.
they know what my vulnerable, areas are, what I need to work on,
Hmm.
they're like, refund the money, get rid of this client, find someone else. So that kind of advice has been important for me, because I also give this advice to freelancers now. So if someone asks me, I have a difficult client, I'm like, if you have the capacity and you're not in a financial crisis, get rid of it. No coach will tell that to you. So yeah, a lot I have learned from them, especially to consider this emotional and personal aspect of yourself and how much you can handle. So yeah.
Hmm. And maybe because all of what you have done is from experience, not from learning something else. तो
Hmm.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा authentic है, हमेशा authentic लगता है, whatever you say and whatever you do. It's
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have a
feel.
story for every single thing. Like I have a reason. क्यों
Hmm.
मैं एडवांस में चार्ज करती हूँ, क्यों ये होता है, क्यों ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिखती हूँ, why this word, why not this word. I have a reason for every single thing because I've been there, made that mistake, done that. I think last year, yes, I started taking a few courses and stuff, and I found Jose, who has been a mentor. So we used to have a lot of like monthly or quarterly calls, and he used to help me, especially with sales calls. He helped me a lot with pushing me ki acha, or self promotion is important. You can't just expect people to buy your ebooks. He was one of the people who said, you have so much story to tell, why you're not telling it? And yeah, so of course I've learned a lot. Directly as well. But otherwise, yes, like 2.5 years it's been me just grinding.
storytelling जब content creation के साथ bind होती है तो like काफी content creation authentic हो जाती है. Like I really believe
Yes,
that कि like
yes,
storytelling is
yes,
the best part of content creation,
definitely.
and it also engage people. तो ठीक है,
Yeah,
बचपन
and
से.
it makes you memorable क्योंकि लोगों को एडवाइस याद नहीं रहती, स्टोरी ज्यादा याद रहती है.
हम्म.
अब मैं चार्ज इन एडवांस इतना बोल चुकी हूँ, but the reasons people started keeping it in mind is because I started sharing the ugly sides of things. कि क्या हुआ था when I didn't do that.
हम्म.
So people
Hmm.
remember you through stories rather than
And
through.
द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज
Yeah.
कि अभी मैं 2-3 दिन पहले किसी को क्लाइंट का काम कर रहा था एंड ही व्हेन ही पेड मी और उसके बाद उसने मेरे को बोला कि ओके ये थोड़ा सा चेंज रह गया यू विल डू इट फेल्ट मोर गुड कि लाइक ठीक है अब मेरे पास पेमेंट आ गया मैं आराम से काम कर सकता हूँ अब मेरे को ये डर नहीं है कि क्लाइंट चले आ गया कुछ भी एंड इट्स अ गुड थिंग
Right.
हम्म
matlab, like I had a post on this as well, but when you charge in advance, yeah, it's not ki paisa aaye nahi aaye. It is more ki now I can do my best work because I have
Hmm.
a good, trustworthy client. Now I can also be a better person to work with. So you're also chill, they're also chill, and everyone's happy. So yeah, a lot of different elements to it, for sure.
अब मितेश तो ओवर अंडर वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ ले क्योंकि ओवर अंडर वाला क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगा तो ट्विटर वाले मेरे को मारेंगे
कौन सा? अच्छा नहीं,
ओवर
उसके
अंडर
पहले एक क्वेश्चन था फ्रीलांसिंग पे, ये था कि we have talked a lot about freelancing. You talk about it a lot. Who should not be a freelancer?
ओ
We should not be a freelancer. Man, these are such good questions. We should do another podcast.
Okay, are you
डेफिनेटली
serious?
डेफिनेटली
Are you serious?
Yeah,
डेफिनेटली
once I make my big change, then we'll do it because then I'll
Okay,
have more to talk
you
about.
have said it thrice now. We want to know
Yeah,
after the
because
pod.
I'm just excited about it. Okay, I'll tell you after the
आफ्टर
podcast.
या
Okay. Anyways,
Okay,
okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, who should not be a freelancer, man?
take your time.
Yeah, like if you
एडिटिंग
first
इसलिए
is no, don't edit it. It's the part of the process, man.
It's
Come
part of
on,
the
don't edit
process.
पार्ट
it
ऑफ द
out.
प्रोसेस
Yeah, I'm thinking. This is what thinking looks like, by the way. Try this.
Yeah.
Look, next time
Right.
people want process for everything. So this is the process of thinking. Anyways, yeah, I think look, first is people who don't believe in themselves. Like still, like I
Oh,
talk so much about, you can make $1,000 per month if you just if you have a laptop, internet, and skill,
internet
you can do it.
connection.
I know it lacks nuance. This post, like this, it needs more, but
More.
this is the fundamental. And then also people are complaining that, oh no, $1,000 is too much. Like I've been freelancing for like 7 years now. I'm making $300. How can you talk about that? You don't believe in yourself, you can't do it. Don't take up freelancing. That's the simplest thing. Because freelancing, the thing is, it's देखो, when you have to get a job, तुम्हें एक बार बिलीव करना है खुद में. इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो
Oh,
गया, ठीक है.
ओ
One time you believe in
good,
it.
good.
ये तो
Freelancing, I'm
नोट
also
करो
proud of myself. Anyways,
नोट करो
okay. Freelancing, you have to believe in yourself like every single day.
With every client, with every
Every
project.
new client, every new piece of content you put out, it doesn't do well. So many people crash and burn कि अरे 100 लाइक मिले थे अभी 10 लाइक क्यों आ गए? So
Yeah.
what? Like, that mental effort is 110% when you're self-employed. Discipline है वो सब ठीक है, that is another thing. But just to be like, I can actually do it. वो इतना belief खुद में होना चाहिए, and that has to come up every single day. So if you don't have that, don't freelance. If you think it's not possible, don't freelance. वो एक अलग बात होती है कि हाँ मैं कभी तो करूंगी, अभी नहीं होगा शायद, but I will do it at some point. Even I had that. And I also had that initially कि when I was making about, I think, $1,000 per month or something, I was like, oh, this is much more than I would get if I was, an
Working as
employee.
a job.
So I was very happy.
Mm.
But my parents said, you should be aiming for 5K a month. What is 1,000 and all? You're stuck. Now you're stuck since 3 months because you're so happy. But I was like, 5,000 is too much. I knew, but somewhere I knew I would do it. That is why the minute my parents said, the next month I was able to do it. I don't know how, but I hit 5K that month.
Wow.
But yeah, so like it's okay if you don't believe it to be possible yet. But अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि हाँ मैं इतना कर सकती हूँ कि चलो $100 तो मैं बना के रहूंगी. First you do that much. That is enough. So if you have that belief, you can do it.
So if you don't start freelancing.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
Believe in
That's a good
yourself.
answer. Anything else apart from this?
Apart from this, if you like, who shouldn't be a freelancer?
Yeah.
Let me think.
Maybe save
Apart
that.
from this.
Maybe next podcast बचा के रखते
Next
हैं.
No, let me think. No, there are a lot of things actually. If you are in urgent need of money, don't start with freelancing. You
Because
can do
not
it later on.
you have a you don't have leverage with negotiation because you need money.
You it's fine. Even if you don't have leverage in negotiation, it's what do you say? It's not easy to find clients. I know that you can find a client in like 1 week also. I know you can find one tomorrow. If I tell you to reach out to 50 people, you likely close a deal.
Probability.
That's not the problem. The problem is that for most people, average person, I'm not saying in terms of average means in terms of masses. Okay,
Yeah,
most people, it won't work in one day. It won't even work in 1 week. It will take at least 1 month for you to understand everything and find your first time. If you're in need of money, it's more likely you can find a part-time job or something that will make you money. So if you're in dire need of money, don't work under that desperation. It can be motivation as well, but if you need instant money, don't go for freelancing right now. Maybe later. And yeah, I think other than that, yeah, if you, I think anybody can be a freelancer. That's a thing, right? So that is what I also talk about. Like if you have a skill, or if you
Mhm.
don't have a skill, you learn a skill.
Mhm.
It'll probably, let's say you give even 6 months to learn a skill, but after that, it's even if you're not making a full-time income, you can make like $500 or something a month
Mhm.
pretty comfortably working with one client, giving like 5 hours a month or something. So you can
5
do it.
hours a month.
Yeah, like it
Really?
depends.
What?
See, if you're working with one client,
Are you
you have
human?
one.
5
No, if
hours.
you have one client who needs like 4 articles or something, okay, and let's say
Hmm.
you don't even do it yourself, you want to outsource it. You outsource it for $100 or $150, and you keep like 350
The
out of that 500.
difference.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one thing. Okay, fine. I'll be more generous. I'll give you 15 hours, but for me, I'm just very fast at work
You're pro. You're
because
basically like
I'm not
very.
pro. I'm just
You
I
are.
just
You are.
don't like doing the same thing over and over again, which is why if I sit down to write an ebook, it will be done in 2 days because I do not want to see it in front of me every single day. So
हम्म,
I'm just a bit like move on to the next thing.
हम्म।
That kind of thing.
जो काम 5 मिनट में हो सकता है उसे पूरा कर लो, टेकन टू फार।
Hmm.
Literally.
Exactly. Exactly.
Dude,
Yep.
Dude, this is good, this is good। हमें बहुत मजा आ रहा
I'm enjoying this.
है। ओके मितेश, तू पूछा है मैं पूछूं?
Yeah, go ahead. I think मेरा हो गया.
ओके, वुड यू लाइक टू टेल योर वर्स्ट क्लाइंट स्टोरी?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm thinking. I will. I've told it. Thinking some other story.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
You have a list of worst clients?
yeah, of course. Of
Notion
course I
page,
do.
worst clients।
No worst clients.
Exactly. Yeah, I need to learn how to use Notion, by the way. That's something on my
Overrated. No,
checklist.
don't.
No?
ओ,
Okay,
नोशन
No.
cool.
इज गुड।
Okay.
I mean, see,
ओके,
if
इस पे
you're
बाद में
making
डिबेट करेंगे,
money,
इस पे बाद में डिबेट
you
करेंगे।
have so much. Like, why do you care? Honestly, it's like still alive. क्यों सोच रहे हो? नहीं सबको अब सीखना है. Like, ठीक है. It's fine. It's an app. Forget it.
Right.
हाँ, coming back to worst
Uh,
clients.
Worst client. God.
ओके, maybe just a general bit about how was your early freelancing days, because एक लिंक्डइन पोस्ट से पता चला वो काफी बुरे थे।
Right. Yeah, okay. I know which post. Okay. हाँ, मतलब काफी बुरे थे क्योंकि आज पता नहीं था पहली बात कि कैसे होती है चीजें. First 4 clients were pretty good because I got them from that viral post on LinkedIn and they were pretty straightforward कि ये करना है, ये करना है. हमने कहा ठीक है. Not getting paid, पहली बात. Like I used to. Okay, one interesting thing is I used to charge 50% advance. So I got 50% advance, and then the next month, like at the end of the month, what happens if somebody has to renew? Okay, let's say 20,000 is the month ka this thing, okay? 50% was 10,000, okay?
Mhm.
By the end of the month, the problem is if the person has to pay for the previous month and renew for the next
Renew.
month, they have to pay 20K again. So for
Yes.
them, it's like, अरे 20K वापस आ गया, तो क्या difference है? So like
Oh.
in paying advance and then paying 50-50, क्या difference है? मतलब एक साथ मेरे को ज्यादा ही पैसा जा रहा है. So that was some weird thing. I don't know. I think that is what the mentality was because then suddenly people are like, "Arey, 20,000 again." But we talked about this, and I'm like, previous month and new month." And then they wouldn't pay it, and they would say, "Okay, I'm paying 10,000 for the previous month. You get started on the next month." And at the time, I was like, "ठीक है, I get started," and then they're not paying. So always there's something or the other. That one client who did this has still not paid me 1,000 rupees. I just remember because
Oh my God.
because that person just sent me I sent like same chat, okay, same conversation. I sent this amount ki itna balance hai, and this was 3 months later, okay, because I had sent the message and he said he's traveling and all that. I'm like ठीक है, and I was like आधा पैसा आने नहीं वाला है, रहने
लिंक्डइन
दो.
पे डाल दो, लिंक्डइन पे डाल
uh,
दो।
I've never trash talked about my clients ever.
You
नहीं,
should.
No,
no,
no.
don't trash talk about client, just वो स्क्रीनशॉट डाल दो। At least people
Screenshot
should
नहीं
know.
डाला
At
है
least
मैंने
people
कभी.
should know.
हाँ, I get it. Yeah, I know. I share the stories, but I don't put screenshots enough. But yeah, no, I had put the amount also, and then a few weeks
1000.
later, that person ऊपर ही मेरा message है, and that person replied with a screenshot saying this much amount paid, and said now our dues are clear, and it's clearly a 1,000 rupees difference, and I'm like, okay, our dues are clear, done. So yeah, something weird. I don't even know why I remember it, but
1000
yeah, like
rupees.
yeah, 1,000 rupees is
How
too
old is
expensive.
this story? How old is this client?
Uh,
2 years?
2 years, yeah.
We still
Last
remember this.
summer,
We
two
still
years.
remember
I
this.
remember every single client I've worked with. I don't know why. I can tell you in
Wow.
order who I've worked with. This is something very weird, but I think it's because I've talked so much about clients. I'm constantly revisiting every time someone
Revisiting.
asks about, okay, why do you do this or why should you do this?
Mhm.
As I said, I have a story for everything. So yeah,
Hmm.
in that sense, I remember everyone I've worked with.
And the client is the start
What
of a
happened?
story most of the time. Client कुछ करता ही नहीं,
Yeah,
like oh ये change करना है.
yeah. Oh yeah, a lot of interesting client stories. A lot of things like this only has happened, like idhar udhar. One more client. I think it's a very weird conversation. I don't even remember a lot of it. Like it just super, super duper weird. That
Hmm.
person said, I want a graphic design. And I said, okay. Like they were a jewelry shop. So they wanted like their necklace on, they had a picture, but they wanted it to be
Hmm.
like edited out and put on a nice background that looks good, like as a poster or something. And I was
Hmm.
like, okay. And then I sent him some backdrops that, okay, this is what we'll put it on. And he confirmed that. He confirmed which necklace. Like he sent a bunch of pictures, confirmed which necklace he wants on that and stuff. And it was done. And I sent him a few images, and then the usual, I'm traveling, I'm in this city, I'm in that city. I'm like, okay, done. And I messaged him, ki, okay, your payment is left. So he had said, ki, I'm traveling, so I'll pay you later, but this is urgent. So send the image now. So I was like, okay, I sent it. And then I told him, okay, payment is due. All the work is done. He's like, you didn't make any edits only. I said, you didn't share any edits. If you have any edits, you tell me. I'll get those made. He's like, no, but you didn't make any edits only. You've not done the work. You've just taken a picture. You've deleted the background. You put pasted on a different background. That's it. Oh, that's what I should pay.
But
I
that
said, but
what you
that's
were
what
What?
you
supposed to
wanted. That's
do.
what you wanted. So yeah, so I didn't get
Oh
that
my
payment.
god.
Uh, it was
How much? How much was the amount? If you remember.
4,500. 4,500. Yeah. Other
मैं
time
इस
it was fairly
कॉन्वर्सेशन के
big
ना
for
क्लिप्स
me in
बना के रखूंगा,
rupees.
अगर मेरे पास कोई क्लाइंट आया तो हाँ लो.
दे दो.
तो
But yeah, that was a very weird
Oh,
conversation. And then I was like, yeah, okay, it's done. I didn't even want to argue. I'm like, okay, we've still designed it. He was like, but you've not done anything. I'm like, "ठीक है. Bye. You put one picture on another picture. I'm like, okay, that is what you think. Then.
shit.
Okay. Yeah, so that's what
नितेश,
it
तेरे को
was.
ओवर एस्टिमेट पूछना है?
Um, I don't think so. We covered most things in freelancing,
ओके, तो मेरे को एक
I
क्वेश्चन
guess.
पूछना था. व्हाट्स द वर्क कल्चर
Hmm.
डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज? बिकॉज यू हैव
In terms of
क्लाइंट्स.
clients,
हाँ, इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लाइंट्स.
uh,
एंड वाई, अगर इसी बारे में बात करें तो वाई डू यू से कि लाइक इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स में डिफरेंस करना बंद करो?
मैं honestly बताती हूँ. If people have money,
Hmm.
genuinely, if they have money and they're all in on working with you, not because they want to try something, but because they don't mind. Ki, acha, theek hai, they've paid you, let's say, 1 lakh per month, and they've paid it comfortably. They've not been coerced into it by you or persuaded too much, or they don't feel like obligated or something. Then they'll be the best plans to work with. So it doesn't matter where they are from. If they have money and if they feel कि जो मैंने किया है इसमें invest वो सही है, and you will know when they feel that way versus when they are being a bit nitpicky on every single thing. Those are the clients that you will comfortably work with. They will never bother you on your deadlines. If you tell them मैं इस दिन पे करके दूंगी, they won't ask you until that day comes. Even if you need more time, they will give it to you. My experience. Will pay you in advance. They'll pay you. I now get paid 3 months in advance as well. So I give them a discount for paying 3 months in advance. These are big amounts.
Wait,
They
what?
pay it. Yeah, so they book me for 3 months together. So I give them a 10% discount. So let's say it's
Hmm.
50,000 rupees per month, then 1.5 lakhs minus 10%. So that much you get. 1.35 you pay for 3 months. But initially. So this is how long-term contracts contract also gets sealed, right? So these people are very upfront on
Mm.
it because they're in it for the long run. They don't mind कि अच्छा ठीक है, I'm committed for 3 months, I'm happy with it. So I've seen a lot of that
Mm.
happen. And yeah, if they have money, it's not really about the location. If they have money and they're happy with the investment, they'll be good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There is no difference. It's just about ki, like,
Yeah, it
That's
is
like
not like, see, every person has their own quirks. I will say that. You also in
Mhm.
their eyes, you have your own quirks as well. You
Hmm.
can't ignore that, but it doesn't mean that everything is a red flag. That's the problem. Nowadays, everyone thinks, अरे इसने ये किया, ये red flag है. It is not a red flag.
हम दोनों बहुत सिंगल है, हमें रेड फ्लैग्स का पता ही नहीं है.
Red
No,
flag.
it's like even in client terms, of course. But हाँ वही
Hmm.
कि not everything is a red flag. Chill थोड़ा.
Okay.
ओके, लेट्स अब लास्ट में चल रहे तो एजेंसी पे बात करते हैं. व्हाई डिड यू स्टार्टेड
Hmm.
योर एजेंसी?
Natural next step is what I call it. I couldn't do
Mhm.
all the work by myself.
Mhm.
I want to do something bigger, and freelancing or like services are like a small part of it. This is mainly like now that I see it. Earlier, I thought कि ठीक है long term चीज है, but I know कि freelancing or service, especially service industry, is very tedious. It is mentally very draining. It's very, you're still giving in a lot of your time. So I would say that this is
Mhm.
more making like my freelancing income or whatever at this point is more of preparing financially for the next step that I want to take. That's how I see it. So it's not going to be freelancing or services or agency all the time. It has to go
बियॉन्ड दैट.
beyond. And the only fastest way to do is to hire people and start building something bigger.
Delegating.
डेलीगेटिंग.
Yes. Although again, I call myself a glorified freelancer rather than an agency owner because I do have a team, but I'm still too involved personally, and I don't really understand very well how to make best use of, having people on my team. So I'm still learning that. So yeah, glorified freelancer is fine now, some sort.
सो हाउ डिड
Basically,
यू?
you don't know how to use people at this point. You have to learn that.
You don't know how to use. Don't
No
put it this
comment.
way.
No
Just
comment.
Don't put
No
it
sipping
this
comment.
water.
way.
Sipping water.
So how did you even started it?
Tushar.
Natural question. Natural next step.
Uh,
How did you even started it?
I didn't want to
पहले
hire
why फिर
somebody
how?
for. Yeah, no, I didn't want to hire somebody for the longest time because I always thought ki if there's somebody who's doing work as good as me, then what am I calling myself like a premium or a unique or whatever freelancer for?
Oh.
And how am I standing out? That was my idea. But then I realized that it's not the same thing. Um, Somebody doing some writing versus me obviously giving it my final touch and whatnot, and then sending it to the client makes a lot of difference. Second, that it's my writing isn't like the best in the world or anything. A lot of people write as good as I do, better than I do. The only thing is that I have a personal brand and I have demand for myself as a writer. That's what I realized. Like a lot of times people didn't even see my portfolio. They were more like, we just want to work with you. So how can we get started? So that
Mm.
when I realized, okay, that there's that enthusiasm to work with me as an individual. And this is
Mm.
this is like 2 years back. So when I was fairly new to all this, right? But
Mhm.
still I saw that enthusiasm. So I was like, okay, let's just hire one person and see. So I had one person for about 6 months. Then I had one more for another 6 months. And then I started on Instagram. So somebody reached out to me saying, can we create a free graphic design for your Instagram? And at the
Mm.
time I was just creating very simple, like only text on like white image kind of thing.
Mm.
And I liked what they did. So I hired them for my Instagram, just the designing part of it.
Mm.
And then I thought, okay, this is a team right there. Now I can offer
Mm.
more services to clients that involve the same designing
Mhm.
part. And then
Mm.
then a video editor came in because some client asked, okay,
Mm.
can you also do reels? So I was like, okay, I need a video editor. So it grew based on client requests or what was needed at the time. But also then I realized pretty late that okay, I don't want to do Instagram. It's too much. I just want to focus on some other services. So then I cut down a bit on
Mhm.
the video editing and graphic designing, and mostly it's writers now. So I'm just gonna. The theme of this podcast is experimentation. Just a lot of one try here, one try there kind of thing. What works is kept, and what doesn't work is okay. Leave
Scrapped.
it
ओके वांट
that
टू
way.
गेट बैक टू फ्रीलांसिंग। मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन और था कि यू स्ट्रेस अ लॉट ऑन कि क्लाइंट्स को सही क्वेश्चन पूछने चाहिए।
Mm-hmm.
हाउ डू समवन डू दैट? क्योंकि मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ बट मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं क्लाइंट को
सही
क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा
question for what?
एग्जैक्टली क्या क्वेश्चन पूछूं अगर वो मेरे पास ये कुछ काम लेकर आए क्योंकि ये काम है, ठीक है,
Mhm.
तो व्हाट शुड आई आस्क देम
Or like on the sales call?
या ऑन अ सेल्स कॉल?
On a sales call, okay. Look, the main idea of a sales call is कि काम समझो ठीक है, but you have to more like dig deeper into their other reasons behind it. कि ठीक है काम ठीक है, but mainly the two reasons would be time and money. तो या उनको और कमाना है, या उनको और टाइम बचाना है, या उनको मनी बचाना है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Usually it's some sort of weird combination of these three things. So in my case, let's say when I was doing Instagram marketing, the main problem my prospects were or my clients were having was उनके पास time नहीं था to create so much content, or they are not sitting there, they're running a business, they're running a coaching service, or they're running like they're selling info. They don't have time to create graphic designs and shoot videos, write scripts for their Instagram reels and stuff. So I realized it's time. The problem is time. So how did I realize that? I just asked them a lot of questions. Okay, so what you want me to do your Instagram? Why haven't you been able to do it yourself yet? Or what are you struggling with? Why do you think you need me for this? Or if I do end up working with you, how do you see us working together? What do you want me to handle for you, and what do you want to do yourself? What are your goals through Instagram marketing? What do you want to achieve by, let's say, the end of 3 months or 6 months? And the more you can dig deep into their personal aspect. This is, by the way, for any sort of conversation that involves persuasion or negotiation, this works. When you know what the other person really wants, like really, really wants, they don't want Instagram content. They want more time to run their business, or they want more consistency. They want more money that will come from a consistent Instagram page that they don't have time for. So all of these things matter, right? So the more you can dig deep into exactly why, the real reasons for wanting something, the more you can convince them to buy from you, to hire you, to actually invest in it, because that's a bigger reason. Kabhi business person ke liye, to save even 5 hours of time every month is a lot of time saved that they can invest in a business. So that's how those are the kind of questions you ask, and that's what you should aim to get from
अगर
the
मैं
responses.
यहाँ से लाइक एक वर्ड निकालना चाहूँ, बेसिकली पेन पॉइंट समझना उनका पेन पॉइंट क्या है।
Yes, pinpoint, correct. जैसे बिल्कुल जैसे सेल्स पेज पे होता है ना, कैसे होता है, पहले they explain the pain points, then they give you the solution. That's the same thing that you have to do. You have to understand their pain points and then say, look, exactly for this pain point, okay, you mentioned time, you write it down. You write everything down while on the call, and then you use the same words. You mentioned you don't have time, so this is what I can do for you. You mentioned you don't have ideas, but this is how we can come up with ideas. You mentioned you're not growing in your following, this is what we can do. So you are using their words back at them. That really helps. Same this conversation, right? You did so much homework, and you're using my words already. So I'm also more interested कि अच्छा तुमने अपना background study कर लिया and you are paying attention. That's most important to me. So if the more you can do that, the more you can make the other person feel like this is a customized, personalized thing for you. It's meant only for you. The more they will, be interested in it. Do that.
ओके, तो 2020 गोल्स
Now
का तो
stop
क्वेश्चन
talking.
हमें नहीं इट वाज गुड आंसर अगेन, सो दैट्स व्हाई। तो 2020 प्लान्स का तो हम रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करने के बाद पूछेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay. हाँ.
ओके, मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन और है कि फ्यूचर में हमें श्रेया के इंस्टाग्राम पे कभी पोम्स देखने को मिलेगी क्या?
मैंने 1-2 बार डाली है इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे.
अब मेरे को ढूंढनी पड़ेगी।
थोड़ी बहुत. नहीं, स्टोरी पे थी, अब चली गई.
अरे
चली गई.
हाइलाइट्स पे भी नहीं है।
नहीं.
Okay.
See, the thing is, my poems are not the best. Okay, and I strongly believe that when you're online, when something is going to stay, and when something like कोई भी तुम्हें discover कर सकता है वो एक चीज के लिए, कोई नया person, it should always be the best thing that you put forward. My poems are not there. So one day if I write a poem where I'm like, okay, this is really good, this is something that the world deserves to see, this is something I would be proud कि अगर इंसान ने सिर्फ ये poem देख ली मेरी और मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं देखा, I would be proud कि ठीक है, they saw this piece. That's my idea for content creation. That is why, uh, I mean, a lot of people would say differently, but I always say that you shouldn't really talk much about your failures. If you have a success associated with
Hmm.
it, it's good. Like ठीक है, तुमने बोला कि मेरी एजेंसी 3 बार फेल हो गई, पर उसके बाद क्या, तुमने क्या किया जो सक्सेसफुल है?
फील
That's what matters. Because हाँ, because see, people remember stories, and the thing is कि if you talk about failure, then people are going to remember you only for that, and that usually should not be the last impression you want to leave. This is not about being like,
Hmm.
inauthentic or anything. It's not about that. It's
Hmm.
be real, but be real in a way that um, if people don't see your content again and don't have a chance to see your success, even in that they should have some good takeaway about you or for themselves.
Hmm.
They shouldn't feel like कि ये इंसान फेल हो गया तो चलो मैं भी फेल होऊंगा तो मैं भी किसी दिन पोस्ट लिख दूंगा तो बस मेरी जिंदगी बन गई. That's not how it should be, right?
Okay,
The
okay.
idea कि okay फेलियर पे खत्म हो गया, it's fine, it's still a post worthy thing. It's
Hmm.
not. It's not. Everyone fails, yes, but that's how I see it. So I'm not going to put my poems until I know that this is my best piece of work. That's my thinking.
Do you write them actively, the poem?
Not anymore. Not now.
Okay.
A lot of क्या बोलते हैं? Not poems, but I write a lot of like musings and stuff, like some like long paragraphs kind of things. They're not just what do you say? क्या बोल- Uh, brain dumps, but they're well written.
एन ऐसे
But yeah,
टाइप
they're
थिंग.
not poems either. Yeah, essay type thing. Yeah, like Instagram captions would be long form. That way.
गॉट इट
Yeah.
दैट्स गुड. जो आपने पहली पोम लिखी थी वो मैथ्स क्लास में लिखी. इट्स लाइक दैट वाज अ गुड
Yes,
स्टोरी.
yes. I did share one of my मैंने एक पोस्ट लिखा था ट्विटर पे, थ्रेड लिखा था अबाउट
हाँ हाँ.
कॉलेज. उसमें मैंने एक पोएम डाली है, इफ यू हैव नोटिस. दैट वाज, आई थिंक आई वाज
That
अबाउट
was the
7 or
first
8
thing I
years old.
read. That was the first thing I read.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, so that was a thread that I really liked. Just putting it out there because everyone on Twitter is always complaining about college this, college that. I'm like, hold on
Hold on.
here. So, yeah.
I'm one of those people.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't
College
like
this?
college?
No, I don't. I don't. It takes up a lot of
Okay.
time, I think. That's
Yeah, definitely. See, I studied English and philosophy. So I had like, okay, since you're talking about so many hours per week thing, but I had like 10 hours of lectures per week. Seriously. Rest all of the time was meant for reading. So while here in colleges in India, you usually have like 10 hours per day. We had 10 hours per
Oh yeah.
week, and then you have time to, read. But I didn't read. I just wrote, like, for clients and stuff.
but,
I didn't do much of that.
but you still read, and because I think for writing, reading is important.
I don't read books as much. I read a lot online. So I read a lot of articles. I read a lot of other threads. Especially on Twitter, I like reading the threads. They're very well written. And Q&A is from a lot of people, especially like Alexander Cortez. So you might know Ajax on Twitter. He's also a huge account on Twitter. He has a really good Instagram account. And he does Q&As like me. We're both, I think, Q&A addicts. So he also does like two to three times Q&As a week. And his questions are also very varied. He doesn't just take fitness questions. So I learn a lot from his writing style, the way it is like blunt, crisp, clear, narrative, often long. Like he doesn't care if one answer is going on for like 5 slides of stories, but he will share what he has to share. So yeah, stuff like that I learn a lot. And practice. I think people put too much emphasis on reading and not too much on writing. I'm writing something every single day, if you think about it, since like obviously since I was very young, but now especially in the last 3.5 years, for my clients, for myself, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for Twitter, for generally emails, all these conversations. There's just a lot going on.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Actually,
that's how
I
it's
have a
improved.
question. जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में राइटिंग करना शुरू कर रहा था ना, इट्स लाइक मेरे को लगा था अगर मैं क्लाइंट के लिए लिखूंगा तो मैं अपने अपने खुद के कंटेंट नहीं लिख पाऊंगा, मैं अपने लिए खुद नहीं लिख पाऊंगा, बिकॉज द क्रिएटिव एनर्जी विल लूज. बट आई थिंक राइटिंग बैंडविड्थ ही बढ़ जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली जब ज़्यादा काम करने लग जाता है. डू यू फील दैट, या फिर लाइक क्लाइंट का वर्क करके जाता है क्रिएटिव एनर्जी?
Client work is different. No, I think client work is different because it's more you get the topic, you get what the goal is. But with yourself, you have to like come up with everything. So
Hmm.
that's how I see the difference usually. Of course, I also create branding strategy and everything, but it's usually a one-time thing because I don't want my clients to waste time every single day. कि अच्छा ये ठीक है क्या ये ठीक है क्या? So for them, I will create like a full, as we talked about scheduling. There's a full monthly calendar. By the first week of the month, we know exactly what the entire next month looks like. Um, so there's pretty much a lot of stability and clarity in how things are going to look. But for myself, it's not there.
Hmm.
So I find it's a whole different aspect. One is more structured. In my case, one is more structured, one is
Hmm.
more on the go, and one is more like there's only limited stuff you can do there because it's a client and because you know what works for them, what
Hmm.
usually works for your clients. You have the same strategies that you apply in unique ways for that particular client. But for yourself, again, you're open to experimentation. You're like कि हाँ client ने बोला कि okay, I want to do text post only, you will do text post. But you know कि अच्छा वीडियो चलेगा तो तुम वीडियो बनाओगे, तुम्हें यूट्यूब करना है तुम यूट्यूब करोगे, मतलब that way you have a lot more uh,
Hmm.
bandwidth on what you want to do. So I think both entirely different things.
Okay, once again, thanks for doing this. It's 6:45. I think
Yeah,
it was a great
great.
convo. Great convo.